Hello everyone. Today I will be telling you about that whether you should take a drop year after writing a GATE paper once or not. The first thing is that friends, why should we write GATE? When I started my preparation for GATE in 2017, there were plenty of PSUs that were recruiting through GATE examination. But the present scenario is that in electronics engineering, after getting all India rank of 49, I have just got a PSU call through GATE in just two PSUs. One was NTPC and the other was BARC. And no other PSU has invited any further for their interview or written examination through GATE examination. Yeah, there are some other government organizations like ISRO. They recruit through their own examinations. So the preparation of GATE will be helping you in clearing the written examination of ISRO, and it will help you in clearing engineering services. But if you are targeting only GATE examinations, so it will be really very difficult, or I can say that if you are in a general category, then if your rank is under 50, then only you can expect a PSU call in electronics department. Specifically, I am talking about electronics and communication department. And suppose that if you want to pursue masters, if you want to do MTech from top institutes like IITs, then GATE is the best platform, and the placements they offer, like in microelectronics and VLSI department, is really awesome. One of my father's friend son, who got around 400 rank in GATE in 2019 maybe, he got placed in he also took MTech in one of the IITs, and he got placed with a package of 28 lakhs. No other PSUs or no PSU offer this much amount as their package. So if you are aiming for masters, then for sure you should prepare for GATE examination again. But if you are targeting some PSU directly through GATE, then it will really be difficult. But it is not impossible, and it is not very sure that you can be getting the call through PSUs like Airport Authority of India recruits through PSU directly through GATE. There is no another interview or something like that. They directly recruit on the basis of GATE score, and for electronics and communication they recruit around 150 people every year. But this year we have not received any notification till now, and the present scenario is very uncertain. So it is not very sure that we will be receiving the notification this particular year or not. So my main motive for preparing this video was that whether one should take a drop year or not. So friends, while preparation of GATE examination, while writing test series, while attending the classes, one gets the feeling that whether he will be able to clear or not the GATE examination. By clearing the GATE examination, I am not saying that you should be able to clear the cutoff. I am saying that whether you are getting a rank under 500 or 400 or not. Suppose that if your rank is around 1000, that means 1000 or 2000, that means that you have a proper concept of the subject. It only requires practice. So if you are under if I want to quantify it, then I will say that if you are under 5000 rank, then only thing that you require is revision of the topics and a lot of practice. And if your rank is under 1000, suppose 800, 900 rank is there, then it is 100% I am sure that if you give proper time and take do proper practice and write test series, then for sure you will be getting a merit rank. By merit rank, I am saying that you will be surely getting a rank under 100. So Kalpit Agrawal, who got All India rank 1 in 2020 GATE, his rank in 2019 was 800 something. He is a very good friend of mine. So by talking to him and by seeing him and by my personal experience also, like in 2019 I got All India rank 535, and I was pretty much sure that I will be getting a good rank if I prepare 1 year again. Then after completing my GATE examination, after completing my college, I kept a drop. I was placed in TCS, but I did not join TCS, and I again attempted for GATE examination, and I got All India rank 49. And by preparation of GATE examination, one thing that I am saying that I have not got much PSUs through GATE, but the one of the important thing that I want to say is that I am able to clear most of the written examinations of different PSUs that they are taking. It is only through the preparation of GATE that has helped me. So if you are under 5000 rank, it is very much beneficial for you if you prepare for GATE examination honestly. But it is nothing impossible. It's not like 5000 rank is the cutoff rank that you should have got in the previous year. Nothing is impossible. I have also seen videos of many students who have got All India rank 2000, but have in the next year they were able to get a very good rank. So this is the thing, and by starting, this is the time to make a fresh start for 2020. 2022 for the GATE, but many students would have already started preparation for GATE 2022. So this March, starting of the March is the best time that you should start the preparation next time for the next year. So make it very much clear what you have to do, whether you have to go for MTech, whether you have to go to NITI Mumbai, or whether you have to go to some of the PSUs, or whether you have to do engineering services. For that, by keeping it in your mind, you should properly analyze, and then you should take a drop. Like, because in this particular uncertain time, it is not that if you were getting a merit rank in GATE 2022 in February, the March exam will be taken, and in the March you will be getting the result. And it is not that if you have got a merit rank, then in April or May you will be getting a job. It is not like that. It can take a time up to 1 year. This time it was delayed due to Corona itself. But then also I am telling you that after recruiting also, the PSUs take some time, 3 to 4, 5 months time to provide the joining letter. It is not with all the PSUs, but some of the PSUs do like this. And this is a very uncertain time with our country, that jobs in the engineering department has been reduced. Whatever may be the reason, due to privatization or something like that. And this is the thing. And if you are aiming to get a government job, like if you are planning to join a PSU so that you will be getting a government job, then it is not the scenario. Scenario has completely changed. Maybe in the next 5 to 10 years, almost all the PSUs will get privatized. It is for sure. So the ideology of the government is clear, to make privatization. And even if it is not privatized, it is not that you will be having a proper time, or you will be feeling like old government jobs that were like having no pressure, no time, no extra work, something like that. The scenario is not like that. You have to work whether you are in government job or PSU. The present scenario is that. So you should be very much clear for what you are writing the GATE examination, whether you have to do MTech or you have to get a job. And by analyzing, if you are completely focused, even if your rank is not good, and if you are completely focused that you will be able to do that, then preferably first thing that you start in reverse manner. Like all those who have writing the GATE for the second time, they must have done something self preparation or must have joined some coaching institutes. What you have to do is first start solving the questions of the previous year. After that, whenever you got stuck in some particular question, then you refer the notes. And after completing, suppose I am taking example of signal system, you start with basics of signals. Start solving all the questions of energy, power, or the basic of signal systems. And after solving, and whenever you got stuck in some particular question, you refer the notes. And after referring the notes, you should be able to solve all the questions. After solving all the questions, after completing that particular chapter, then you start open your notes and revise that particular chapter. And after that, what you do is take the second chapter, solve all the questions, and in the same manner you revise for that. This should be the approach for the dropper student who has already done the preparation once and planning to write the GATE in the second time or the third time. This should be the proper approach. And first thing that the most important thing that I will help you I will mention that you should be writing the test series as it gets started. In the month of March or April, most of the coaching institute will start the test series, and you should be writing the test series from March and April itself. And that's all, friends. Thanks a lot.